Good morning children. Today I am going to take for you English lesson that is already which I have already started before the match. It is about the cricket match and you all know about the cricket match. You require players. If you have to win the competition you have to do the regular practice and all. So in this also the same thing. There is a boy called Swami who never comes for practice and all are angry with him because he is the best bowler. And if he doesn't come for practice, they can't do the practice properly and they can't win the match. And already I have told you that how many days were left? 15 days. The fortnight was left for the match, okay, for the competition. So I will continue this lesson. So I told you now, Swaminathan thought of going to a doctor and getting a certificate which is not true that he is sick, so that the school authority should leave him to the ground for practice or leave him 1 hour early from the drill after the school hours. Okay, so here I'll continue the lesson children. So I'll start from here. Swaminathan quietly slipped off of the house. I told you without telling anybody he goes out of the house and what does he do? He goes and stands where? He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board Dr. T. Kesavan, L.M. and S. Shri Krishna Dispensary. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. So he went in front of one of the shop, he stood there and he saw the board. There is a board which is hung and what is written on the board? Dr. T. Kesavan. He is L.M. and S. Shri Krishna Dispensary. So the name of the dispensary is Shri Krishna Dispensary. So seeing the board, seeing the situation and seeing that area, he thought that nobody is there, doctor is alone. So he can go inside and he can ask doctor's help. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? So when he goes inside, the doctor tells him, hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. So what does he say? Doctor, I have come here to give me one of the doctor's certificate. I want it right now and urgently needed. What is the matter with you? You are looking fine. What is the matter? Why you want the certificate? The doctor inquires. I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union and I must have some practice. And yet, every evening there is drill class, scouting, some dirty periods or other. So what does he say? I will tell the truth. I won't tell you the lie. Why I want the doctor's certificate? Because he has got a competition. He has to play a match and after school hours they will be keeping them back for drill, scouting, etc. which is not happy with it. See there. I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week. So he is saying, I will tell you the truth. And the match is played between whom? Between this boys team and Young Men's Union team. And so he requires some practice at least a week thoroughly. So and every evening after school hours, what is there in the school? There is drill class, scouting and some dirty period or other. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. So MCC is their group. So if you give me a certificate to leave me at 4:30 from the ground, then I can go and have my practice and our MCC group can win the match. Well, I could do it. But is there anything wrong with you? I can give you a certificate, but you must have some ailment, some sickness. Then only I can give you. I can't give you just like that because you are asking for a certificate. Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. So sometime he stood, few seconds he stood numb and later on he replies. What does he say? I feel that, lately I feel that I have got delirium. Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? So he is asking Swaminathan, the doctor, you said delirium? What do you mean by delirium? So you know the meaning of the word delirium that you have mentioned. I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomachache? I can't say exactly what that word means, but according to me, isn't it a stomachache? That word is used for the word when you have got pain in the stomach, you say it is a delirium. The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest and declared him to be in the pink of health, and told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evening free. But the doctor said, it is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I give you such a certificate. So got it, children, this para? So when he said delirium, the doctor starts laughing at Swaminathan and with a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. So in that way he laughed. He laughed so much that his voice started choking with cough. After that, what he did? He examined Swaminathan. First he examined his eye, later on he examined his tongue. He tapped his chest and declared him to be pink in health. Pink in health means good in health. And told him he is well to stay and do the drill, and he must get, and he can get rid of his delirium if he does drill after the school hours. So again Swaminathan explains him the importance of winning the match and how it is very important to be free for him from after the school hours. But the doctor says, what does the doctor say? I should be prosecuted, means I am doing some offense. I will be punishable for the wrong thing what I am doing. It is wrong to give the false certificate. So I should be prosecuted if I give any such certificate, is said by the doctor. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? So Swaminathan is telling doctor, how will others come to know? Who will find out? So otherwise how will our MCC group will win the match? I wish you all success. Don't worry. I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. So I wish you all the best. You all can win the match, not to worry. But I can come to your school, I will talk to your headmaster and request him to leave you at 4:30. So this is what I can do for you, I can help you out. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. So he is saying, okay doctor, that will do. So I think you are very kind to me and very helpful. So this is the end of this lesson before the math. I will read the glossary, children. Listen carefully so that when you learn, you don't make any mistake. First one, peace of mind. A state in which one feels calm and quiet, not worried. Second one, thrash. Defeat someone very badly in a game. Anxiety, worry or fear about something. Tate. Swami is given the nickname Tate after the famous English fast bowler Maurice Tate, who was well known in 1920s and 1930s. Fortnight. Fortnight means 2 weeks. Next, children. Contrary to the custom. Different from what usually happens every day. Tucked up. The edges of their dhotis were folded and turned up so that they were held in place. Muttering. Saying something in a quiet voice that is difficult to hear, especially when you are annoyed. Became desperate. Tried something when everything else had failed. Pursued. Followed or chased somebody. Pursued. Oath. A word or phrase that is used to express anger, surprise, shock, etc. Delirious. A state of excitement when you cannot think or speak clearly, usually caused by a fever. Scouting. Activities related to an organization called the Scout Association. It was originally meant for boys to train young people in practical skills and involve them in many activities like camping, etc. Of late, in recent time. Choke. Make it difficult for someone to speak because they do not have enough air. Examine. Looked at something closely to see if there was anything wrong. In the pink of health. Be in a very good health. To get rid of. To free yourself of something that is annoying or causing a problem. Prosecutor. Charged with a crime in a court of law. So this is the glossary, children. So question answers I'll be giving to you. I'll be sending you in PDF. Even one paragraph is there. Example of paragraph outline. That also I'll be sending to you. So read the lesson from the textbook thoroughly and understand the story. Story also I have sent you in the earlier class. Now I completed the textbook lesson and explaining. And do well. All the best. Be safe and do your day-to-day studies. Thank you, children.